Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade a breakout via a simple set of trading channels. Because today we use this particular system to nail 900 ticks in profit. So let's get right in this video, folks. There's no time to waste. I've got so much I want to review with you. Alright, this is today's live trading on the NASDAQ using our gorgeous channel trading system from today, Monday, October 21st. By the way, happy Monday to all you guys and gals. Hope you had a fantastic start to your trading week. This is a system that I think is going to help you identify and isolate really high probability setups. And even though I'm recording this today, Monday, October 21st, I feel that whatever techniques and strategies I'm going to show you in this video, okay, everything that you're going to see here will be effective well into 2025. All right. And actually, that's part of the reason I had that live webinar last week. I wanted to try to find a way to put all of my people in a really strong position to succeed in the upcoming trading year of 2025. All right. Anyway, let's start by explaining to you, what are you looking at? Well, what you're seeing on the screen is a dual set of channels. All right. In fact, let me just go ahead and zoom out real quick. All right. You can kind of see here's an up channel and then here's a down channel. All right. These are really, really beautiful, attractive channel metrics that are being deployed on the chart of the NASDAQ. And what I want to show you specifically is, what do you do with this channel and how do you take a trade? All right, because that's what all you guys and gals care about, right? So let me hit you with the good stuff. Okay, this is a simple two-step process, and if you can follow these two steps, I feel that this particular system is going to make an immediate impact on your trading. All right, now the first thing to recognize is we got to wait for a channel to start. That's relatively obvious, right? And you guys know that my secret sauce and my proprietary algorithm relies on a 45-degree sharp angle for the channel to be formed. Okay, so if I just put a vertical stripe right here, this is approximately the time that the channel started today, which is around 9:28 a.m. as you can see here in the x-axis. So that's step number one. We wait for the channel to start. And if you were in last week's webinar, then you know what I'm going to say next. And if you were not in last week's webinar, or you haven't really been paying attention, then make sure you follow along with what comes next. All right? Because what we talked about in the webinar is whenever we see the start of a channel, all right, we want to see the market retrace, and we want to jump on and pounce on the very first T-bar reversal candle that shows up in the channel. Okay, and so case in point, you can see right here, this is our golden ticket that showed up today around 9:30. So just to recap, the channel showed up at 9:28. That's when the channel started. And then the actual signal to jump on this short trade. Why short? Obviously because the channel is red. That's why we're looking for shorts. Okay, so the signal showed up 2 minutes later at 9:30. And of course, if I zoom out and fit this to scale here, Jesus Christ, man, are you kidding me? This thing absolutely got smoked for 900 ticks straight down. And we got in all the way over here. I mean, isn't this remarkable? Actually, isn't this shocking? Right? Let me show you something else. You guys are going to find this very funny, very amusing, and very interesting. All right, for all of you guys that are early birds, let's take a look at the long channel. All right, take a look at this one here. Okay. This one showed up at 7:30 a.m. All right, perfect. You can see with your very own eyes, the upward 45-degree angle starts. And lo and behold, what we want to wait for is the very first T-bar reversal candle that shows up inside the channel, as you can see right over here. Now, does this make sense, guys? Because I honestly don't know how much more I can dumb this down for you. All right, and I want to emphasize very strongly, okay, I want to emphasize very strongly, let me get you dialed in here some more. We have to wait for the very first one, okay? We're not taking the second one, we're not taking 3, 4, 5. we have to jump on and pounce on the first one. Make sense? Because this is the only way that you're going to be able to stay disciplined in your trading while also being able to put the risk reward metrics in your favor. And when I say risk reward, guys, if I fit this back to scale here, I'm talking about a scenario like this where we are able to get 100 to 1 reward. So yeah, man, congrats to all of my people who got their hands on this system early. Thank you so much for your feedback, your comments, your suggestions. Yes, I am getting your text messages and emails, but it's very difficult for me to respond to everybody. So please excuse any delay in me getting back to you. I'm just absolutely swamped. But at the end of the day, I'm just glad you guys are using these channels to crush it. So if you're an active customer or client of mine, make sure you get in touch with me. Happy to talk to you about this channel trading system and give you special access to it. And if you're not an existing customer or client of mine, feel free to get in touch anyway. I may want to talk to you and verify that you do actually actively trade and you're not just wasting my time, all right? Because I'm not looking to take on people that are just kicking around the tires, all right? You're either all in or you're all out. So that'll do it for today's video on how to use channels to find and identify breakouts. And I'll see you in the next recap.